Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the Nexus 6P. This is the Huawei made Nexus, so it should be pretty good. I've seen good things pertaining to this device, and I think people are excited about it, to say the least. And I got the 32 gig aluminum. I'm gonna bore you with all the things that are in the box and all this nonsense. It's just manuals and a cable and stuff. I will, however, get this out because I'll be using this one and not so much the other one. This is just some manuals that are centered back there. But here it is. The beautiful Huawei made Nexus 6P. Wow, it's a beaut. 5.7-inch display on the front, dual front firing speakers, beautiful 12 megapixel on the back. The aluminum build is the one I would recommend because it looks gorgeous. Fingerprint sensor there, laser focus, microphone for noise cancellation. Power button is ridged, just like the other Nexus. You got your volume key. Headphone jack up top. I would love to see that on the bottom, but oh well. USB Type-C and SIM tray there. So I'll get this powered on and set up and tell you how much I really like it. It's your man Jay Will. Nexus time all over again. See you in the next one.